Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Welcome back to our Arabic reading series for beginners. In this lesson, inshallah, we are going to learn four very important letters in the Arabic alphabet, which they are Ad-Dal, Al-Dhal, Al-Ra, and Al-Zay. Inshallah, I will teach you how to pronounce each letter step by step, where the sound comes from, and we will practice small words together. So, my kids, relax, smile, and get ready to learn, inshallah. Inshallah, we start with the first letter, which is Dal. Okay, let's start with the first letter, Dal. A Dal is a light sound. Its sound is very close to the English sound D, like in the word in door or dad. The tongue touches the upper front teeth gently, not too strong and not too hard. Okay, how to do it? Just put your tongue behind your upper teeth. Okay, push a little air. Say da, da, da. Okay, let's repeat with short vowels, and let me show you the letter in there too. So, as we said, let your tongue touches the upper front teeth gently. Okay, gently, not too strong and not too hard. And say da, di, and do. And as we always do, okay, ada has two forms, only two forms. Ada might come at the beginning. That's when it comes at the beginning. At the beginning, no letters before. And Adal, focus with that part, please. Adal never connect from the left side. Adal never connect with any letters from the left side. That's the left side. Adal never connect from there. Okay, that part in there, Adal has a letter before. That part, it means there is something in there. Okay, there is something in there connected with Adal from where the right side. Okay, so Adal, it's easy. It can be connected from the right side, but the left side, Adal never connect from the left side. Okay, I hope that part makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please leave a comment. I will try to make another video explaining Adal. Very, very good. Adal is one of the easiest letters in the Arabic. Okay, keep practicing, please. And the next letter is letter Dhal. This letter is a little different. Why? Why it's different? As you see first, the letter has a dot over the letter. At the top of the letter, there's a dot. At Dal, it's the same form as Dal, but at Dal had no dots, right? At Dal has one dot over the letter. And it's also different because your tongue comes out slightly between your teeth, right? As you notice, Dal, we say Dal. The sound is like the in English word, this or that. Okay. So how to do it? You must open your mouth a little. Okay, just a little. Put the tip of your tongue gently between your top and bottom teeth. Okay, the tip of the tongue. Okay, touches the upper teeth. Go between the teeth. Make a soft sound. The. Do not bite your tongue. Do not bite your tongue. Just touch gently. Okay. And you can repeat after me with vowels the, thu, and they. And just a friendly reminder, if I can't see your tongue, if you can't, you can look at the mirror. If you can't see your tongue at all, the sound will be wrong. If too much tongue comes out, also wrong. Just a tiny bit, okay? Just a tiny bit. Perfect. And you see there two of letter dal, okay? As we learn it with a dal never connect from the left side. It never connects from the left side. It only connects from the right side. A letter can connect with a dal from the previous letter, not behind. Okay, that's it. A dal has no dots. Okay, a dal just empty letter, the same but no dots in there. A dal has one dot. Okay, very, very good. Now let's learn the letter Ra. Ra is a very special Arabic letter. It has a soft tap sound, almost like the Spanish Ra. Okay. For now, we will learn it light and easy. Okay. First, I would like to inform you it's not like the same R in English. Okay. R in English, the tip of the tongue, it's like left in space. In Arabic, the you left the tongue slightly toward the roof of your mouth. Okay. Make a soft, quick tap. Your tongue should not stay stuck. It's just a tap, okay? Not a press. But in English, we do not press or tap, just the tip of the tongue left in a space, okay? We can repeat after me, please. Ra, ru, and ri. I want you to imagine your tongue jumps up like a tiny rabbit and comes back down, okay? That's very fast, very short, okay? Ra, 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 ra. That tiny jump makes the sound ra, okay? It also has the same thing. It only connects from the right side, okay? From before, not after, okay? You will never ever see any letter connected with a ra from there, okay? And that's a ra at the beginning of the word, and that's a ra connected from before. And the last letter for today is zai. And zai is very easy. Alhamdulillah. It sounds exactly like the English Z in zoo, zebra or zero. Okay. The same sound. And how to do it? Your question, how to do it? Just your teeth close together but not tight. Z, close together but not tight. An ear passes between the teeth. Okay, when air passing through your teeth and they are closed, slightly closed, so it makes z vibration. That sound z z. Okay, you can repeat with vowels za, zu, and z. Okay, and a z is one of the smoothest letters to learn. Okay, let's repeat all for today's letters together. Dal, dal, ذال, ra, and zai. Now let's say them faster. Dal, ذال, ra, and zai. And now it is time for practice. I will say a word and you tell me which letter you hear. درس, ذهب, ربى, زهرة. Okay, great job. You are learning very, very fast. So, and here, that can be it for today, inshallah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check the full playlist for more reading lessons. See you, inshallah, in the coming class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.